Hello and welcome to this section of Mastering Excel. Here we're going to learn about Sparklines, and so what I'm going to do is delete this guy and we're going to go over to the data that we used to create our stacked bar graph from before. Now Sparklines are really just a way to create a little mini graph inside of a single cell. So it's basically graphing, creating different kinds of graphs, but it's used to create tiny little graphs that you can put inside of any of these cells. And they could have their uses. I don't really use them all that much, but they do have their uses, and I want to show you how to use it so that you can decide for yourself if you need or want to use a sparkline. So in order to put a sparkline in, I'm going to highlight the empty cell underneath this Toyota sales data. All right, and then I'm going to go to Insert. And then I'm going to go over to the Sparklines group. Now there's three different kinds of Sparklines you can create: a line graph, a column graph, or a win-loss. For now, let's go ahead and create a column like this. So I'm going to go ahead and click that, and it's going to ask me, choose the data that you want. And so what I'm going to do is highlight this data here, and that's highlighted. That's the data I want, and I've got the empty cell still selected under there. Choose where you want the sparkline to be placed. Right now I already have B7 because that's where I clicked initially, so basically done. And I hit OK, and up pops a little tiny little